We're gonna go through, okay, some low cap altcoin gems. All right, we need to take a look at some altcoin gems, guys, because now is the moment that you need to speculate, that you need to take some risk potentially to make, you know, those easy 3, 4, 5 or even 10x in the next week or two. Okay, very likely that this is going to happen. Now let me know in the comment section that if you can see me, if you can hear me, if the camera's okay this time, and I'll be going through the comment section straight away, guys. But most importantly, guys, this right over here, the total crypto market cap breaking a major resistance. This is including Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to see, you know, over $100 billion coming in the market in the next coming days. Very likely we're going to see a lot of altcoins popping. So we've just gotten above this major resistance, which is a $2.65 trillion here, creating this inverse head and shoulder, as you can see, breaking out here very nicely, and very likely to continue to meet the target here at the 2.85 and then continuing after that for sure. Now remember, we do have this massive cup and handle. This is all got to do, you know, we're going to see bullish patterns inside of this bullish pattern, so it's all indicating that we are going to continue to the upside in the next coming weeks. We have this projected move, all right, from the cup and handle on the total crypto market cap. Now it's just bullish pattern behind another bullish pattern every single time until we reach that target. As you can see, we have this beautiful inverse head and shoulder. It's going to be looking very bullish for the next coming days. Now also, let's take a look at the comment section. First of all, let me say hello. Right, I will be taking a look at those cryptos. I got someone in the Telegram group asking me to see if I can take a look at Compound. I'll take a look at that straight away. Let me just go through Bitcoin, total crypto market cap. Let me just say hello in the comment section. Undefined Gravity, hi Andy. Kishu Inu, please. Right, let's take a look at Kishu Inu also today. Hello, Anand, hello, PVM, nice OXT breakout. I'll take a look at that one also. Jose Miguel, can you check VET? Hello, yes, I will check a look at VET. Jose, morning. Urban, Theta, yeah, we take a look at Theta. I actually had Theta ready here because this one right over here is one of the most bullish looking one in my opinion. Okay, I'm extremely long here on Theta. This is an incredible bullish setup. This is a descending wedge here that we've been talking about for ages. And you know, we have a target that is the all-time high. It is above the $15. It will be met. We do not know if it's going to be in weeks, if it's going to take a month or two. We do not know, but expect volatility and to reach those targets in the next coming weeks, guys. Extremely bullish setup right over here, creating lower lows and starting to create higher lows. Like mentioned, we're going to start seeing this one pumping and dumping and pumping while we're going up. So looking very bullish after all. Theta. Stakar, Coty combined with ADA stablecoin. Yes, right. Undefined Gravity, all is well. Great, nothing special, just a potato. Hello, Link and Dent, please. All right, we'll take a look at that also. I got Chainlink, I got Dent, I got Coty. What else? I got Kishu Inu. I'll be taking a look at them. That is for sure. Let me just go through the comment section, okay? Super, check H-bar also. Right, let me just say hello through the comment section. I've got already a bunch of cryptos to take a look at. And I'm going to try and be less than 1 minute on every single crypto. Be a little bit quick and, you know, straight to the point. Because if not, it's going to be super hard, guys, to go through everything. All of the cryptos. Yo, what's up, Canada? TFK, hey Andy, good to see you, TFK. Right, good evening Andy, please take a look at ADA. I've long at 194, is it a good entry? Thanks. John, yeah, we'll take a look at that. I think the ultimate bottom for ADA is between the $1.70 and $1.80, okay? So if it came all the way down, if it does come all the way down there, that will be an insane buying opportunity. Now, maybe it won't come, so maybe we'll analyze that, your entry point, John. Static, hi, how are we doing? Right, hello everyone, hello. Wow, mana please Andy, I've already got £10 super chat from James. Right, let's take a look at this because guys, you know that super chats have priority here, and that is for sure, guys. Thank you for the £10 super chat, James. Let's take a look at mana straight away. Can you take a look at Mana, says Malcolm? Yeah, also Meta Hero. Right. Let me just say hello. Can I see Mark Dutch, my moderator, here in the comment section? How are you doing, Mark? Welcome. Let's crack on. Right. Mana, thank you very much, James, for that super chat. Let's take a look at Mana here and analyze the situation after having that insane pump that we had. All right, absolutely crazy, going just above the $5, just around about that $5 range. I think on other exchanges it might have been above $5, but yeah, basically here on Mana, insane pump. I would, or depending if you want to trade this or what do you want to do. But yeah, this is only the start of the, the metaverse hype. This will be going to much higher levels. This might go to $6 to $7 to $8 to $10 or even above that in the next coming weeks. All right. So any type of retracement, in my opinion, we're going to see massive, alt season, a lot of altcoins popping and going to the upside, even though you don't believe it, even though it's hype. It is moon time. Yes, guys, this is moon time. This is the moment we are waiting for. Okay, you can see it on the total crypto market capitalization chart. This chart over here is extremely bullish. We are going to the upside. We're going to see altcoins. You need to get some of your portfolio, Bitcoin or Ethereum, and place them into some of good altcoins, because the gains are going to be massive on some of them. Not only the meme coins. Right, now let's take a look at Mana and analyze the situation, because it's just gone crazy here. This is the 4 hourly chart. Let me just zoom out here on the daily. All right, and the pump here is absolutely massive. If we go from the ultimate low, just to be pretty simple here, because there's nothing to analyze right at this moment, we successfully broke the all-time high, which was at the $1.70 range. So massive hype, massive candle here on the daily. It is retracing at this moment. Let me just take a look at the Fibonacci. Keep it pretty simple here, guys, because when you have a pump like this, you are going to consolidate and you are going to retrace. And this is what exactly is happening right now. Now, any price in between, I'm getting the Fibonacci from the ultimate low here, just below the 70 cents to the high of almost $5. And yeah, good entry points. We have already had one, and the other one here is the 62% Fibonacci retracement, which is at the $232. So in between $2.32 and $2.84, and we were trading already there yesterday, just below the $2.80, is a great buying zone in my opinion. We are going to see the volume going down on this retracement because the pump here, okay, the interest is massive. All of these people that have been buying, Mana at $1, $1.50, $2, I don't think they want to buy anytime soon. They see the potential coming in the next coming months for this crypto. There might be some guys that are just here for some quick profits, just do a 2x, get their money out. But I think more than half, more than 60%, even 70% of the people are here for the mid-long term, right? They want to be here for the next coming months, the rest of the bull run. So any retracement here is going to be absolutely great buying opportunity. Like I said, in between the 62% and 50%, taking it from the lowest part of the pump right over here. We're already consolidating. We could potentially, and let's just take a look at the 4 hourly chart. There is a possibility that we might do an ABC correction right over here. We maybe already done the ABC correction. Let me just take a look. Okay, this is the 1 hourly chart. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart. And yeah, there is a possibility that we've already done an ABC correction here. And the reason why is because, let's take a look at the 4 hourly, Fibonacci extension, from the high to the drop here on this candle, to this one right over here. Okay, and let me just go to the 1 hourly so you could see it better. I'm just going to take the Fibonacci out of the way. Okay, now so I think that this has been a potential from there, A, B, C correction right over there approximately. So if you take the Fibonacci extension, go from here to here to here, we still could come a little lower around about this range. Now, full extension would be the $1.90. It could happen. But just to keep it pretty simple here on Mana, and I need to be here a few minutes, guys, because you're giving me a £10 super chat, all right? Then I'll take a look at the rest of the cryptos. We got, keeping it simple on the 1 hourly. Check out, okay, and we might get, if we are lucky, we might come back down and retest this range. This is the $2.70 range here for Mana. The reason why this range has bounced very, very nicely, and I would start, if you are planning to long this with low leverage swing trade, I think, these were the good buying opportunities, the $2.60, $2.70 range. Why is this? Because if we take this candle right over here with the wick on the 1 hourly, is where we have a huge amount of volume right over there. This candle is this volume over here. What happened next? We had a massive candle to the upside breakout with this volume. Where are we retracing and where are we bouncing? At the first volume candle right over here on the 1 hourly on the 30th of October. It's the peak here where we've got this major consolidation and this resistance is where we are bouncing because of the volume. So this is just a retracement. It's very, very likely that we are going to hold this range. So good buying point for Mana, $2.60, $2.70 range. We currently 30-40 cents away from there. We might get, if we're lucky, we might get another little dip coming down to these ranges, all right? And we might be kind of forming a huge kind of double bottom before we continue. This is just a consolidation. Everything is pointing out that we are going to continue to the upside. So this is what I got for 88. Thank you very much for the super chat. Now, let me go through the comment section here quickly. Well, I've got a few cryptos to take a look at. Kishu Inu. Let's take a look at Kishu Inu. I'm not sure if there's going to be any data here. Yeah, Kishu Inu Tether. Right. This is the 1 hourly. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. Oh, this is not looking too great. Okay, not looking great. We have seen before these hypes, these kind of round formation, and if you ask me, this is the complacency. This is complacency. I think we are going to see a little bit of crashy here on a lot of the meme coins. Okay, this is not looking good. This is on the 4 hourly, already printed this high, lower high. Okay. Is there a possibility that we are going to consolidate? We are going to bounce somewhere. We could come as low as this point, in my opinion, this major resistance that might be turning into support right there on Kishu Inu. Okay, but yeah, when you have kind of a hype like this, people might just going to take profits, get a little bit boring. Now we're going to see DeFi, we're going to see NFTs, metaverse. I think meme coins they're going to let them apart because the hype has happened. People are going to take profits. It's very, very likely that this is kind of a complacency, and we're going to have that mini capitulation and a little bit of a depression kind of around this range. Okay, we might be getting support at this resistance, and as you can see, we are having that kind of effect right there. It can be pretty bloody in the next coming days. Okay, so stay cautious on these meme coins at the moment. Let's take a look at Theta. Quick look at Theta. Like I said, Theta extremely bullish, looking excellent. Theta will be hitting that $15 range, $15 range in a matter of weeks right now. In a matter of weeks, we are going to start seeing the movement pretty parabolic, something very, very similar to what happened here back in February, back in March here. We're going to start seeing some of those movements in the next coming weeks. All right, this is a huge consolidation accumulation event right there, where you are creating slightly lower lows and starting to create higher lows over here in quite a few months, right? So it doesn't make any sense here after having this nice round formation that you are going to do like this on the chart. This is just getting ready to go to the upside. Now, like I mentioned before on Theta, major levels was $5.60, $6 range. Good buying opportunities right over this range. I did buying a little bit late actually. I have got some long positions here on Bybit on Theta, and yeah, basically on Theta I entered at about $7.18. Okay, I was planning to scale in if we did drop lower, because this is what I see on the chart on Theta. Okay, this is what I see, that it's very unlikely that we are going to dip below this major support, which are higher lows right over there. So I entered round about the $7, pretty late, round about here. on the dip that we had just before yesterday. This is where I entered, okay, because the candle to the upside was insane. Now my plan was, if we do scale down to the $6.50, $6 range, $5.60, I was going to add a lot to my position, because I do believe so, a lot. And this is a 4x or 5x leverage, I can't remember now. Let me just tell you now on Theta. Yeah, this is a 3x. I got a 3x leverage swing trade on Theta. So yeah, liquidation price is just, you know, well below the $5 range. And I was planning to add to my position because I am extremely bullish. We're not going to get the best entry. You know, you guys have seen this. If you're an old subscriber, I was waiting for retracements, and I should have used this basic, easy strategy of just getting into positions and scaling in if we did dip lower, okay? Because I was analyzing. You can check out my videos from the 8th till the 23rd, 24th of September. And I was waiting for the price to come lower and lower to get the best entry possible, around about that $38,000. If you're an old subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. I missed out big time. I should have just got into some positions and scaled in, or, you know, or scaled in while we were going down, because I was very, you know, confident that we were going to have that reversal. All the analysis here was bullish, but I was saying, guys, we've broken out. I'm going to wait for retracement, you know, and we just went sideways and we started pumping. It could have made excellent gains right over there. And this will not happen this time. This is why I'm saying what happened before the last month. Guys, if you are interested in trading on Bybit, remember, you get the best bonus down below, up to $3,500 worth of bonus, only for experienced traders, okay? Down below in the description or in the pinned comment, $3,500 to claim with, then you can trade with that bonus money, all depending on what you deposit. So Theta also, Ethereum also looking very, very bullish. Guys, we got 300 before we continue with some altcoins, all right? And I'm giving this free information, my analysis, okay? Everything's pointing out pretty good what we're talking about. I need you to do this, all right? We're going to go right over here. This is the live stream, today's live stream. We're going to scroll down and we're going to smash up that like button together to 300 likes, because we are 324 watching at this moment, 29 watching at this moment. Let's scroll down, smash up the like button all together, and let's take a look at all of these cryptos together, right? I'm going to go super quick. I'm going to be about 1 minute on every single crypto. I'm just going to go fly through the comment section. Let's take a look at the cryptos. All right, and yeah, let's just smash it, guys. Let's just smash it with this crypto alt season, Bitcoin season, everything season, right? The most, you know, everyone's a genius season, I think it's called, isn't it? Because everybody's making gains. So this is the moment where we need to be cautious, okay? In the next coming weeks, it will go pretty parabolic in my opinion. Now let's take a look at the comment section quickly. Let's take a look at Chainlink here for nothing special, just a potato. Chainlink straight away. Let's take a look at Link. What's going on with Link? Link. Okay, Link is still here struggling around this range, around about that $32. We do have a technical target here at, for Chainlink, which is the $36. It will get broken. It will get broken very soon. Maybe in days, maybe in about a week. I do not know, but it will be broken. Why will it be broken? Now, Chainlink is an absolute beast, all right? No matter what Chainlink does, it is, you know, the trend here since 2018 is, it looks like the Bitcoin trend since 2010, all right? If you take a look at the logarithmic chart from Bitcoin from 2010, 2011, it's something like this. Well, Chainlink is mirroring Bitcoin, but in 3 years. So definitely the next leg up here for Chainlink, in my opinion, can be in between $120 and $180, okay? And this might be in 3 months, it might be in 6 months, I do not know, but we do have a kind of projection there. Almost hitting this resistance, okay, on the logarithmic. That could happen in the coming months, sorry. Now this is, yeah, weeks, months. Chainlink is an absolute beast. When it goes pretty fast, as you can see here back in August of 2020 when we have that DeFi hype. Also back here in January and February from this year, we went from $9 all the way up here to $38 in about, you know, a month and a half, which was over 5x approximately. 4x, sorry. Now let's take a look here at Chainlink on the 1 hourly. And yeah, I've been more than 1 minute here, but this is one of my favorites. This is one of my top cryptos. I've got 30% on my portfolio. It's Chainlink, and I absolutely love Chainlink. As soon as we get above here nicely, we're going to retest, the top here from this wedge, very, very likely in a matter of days. $36 right over here for Chainlink in days. As I said, as soon as we break this major resistance of $36, it is going to be a free ride, okay, all the way up to around about that all-time high, which is $53. The only major resistance that we've got right now is $36, okay? After that, we've only got this kind of price action traded above this level, okay? We've got a peak there, we've got a peak here, which is the $36 peak right there. And you could arguably discuss that this is a cup and handle, okay? I see cup and handles everywhere. I've actually got a cup and handle right there. Now, if we do break this resistance of $36, it does look like, okay, and I like to see cup and handles at the very, very top, but if you connect these resistance levels that we've touched, which is at the $35-$36, we've got this round formation right there, right? A little bit of a peak, but it doesn't matter. Then we have this hand over here, and yes, the handle goes a little bit lower than 50%. I want to see the handle slightly lower, but you could potentially discuss that this is a cup and handle. I've seen cup and handles in crypto, the handle going well above 50% and actually playing out beautifully. So as you can see right over there, this is just a huge accumulation. You got this retest again to see if there's selling pressure back up. We are about to retest that $36. Everything's pointing out that we are going to retest $36. As soon as we break out, if we do break out, we might get a little bit of rejection there, a little bit of volatility. But if we break out $36, close a nice 4 hourly or even a daily candle with some pretty decent volume, it's very, very likely that Chainlink, in a matter of weeks after that breakout, we could smash the all-time highs and even reaching, just here around about $56, $57, which would be a projected move from this kind of accumulation cup and handle. Okay, hitting that all-time high. This is what we can expect, guys, in the next coming days for Chainlink. C98, let's take a look at C98 straight away, and I'm going to scroll down quickly here in the comment section. I've been quite a few minutes here on Chainlink. I want to be faster than that. Just quick analysis won't be fair for the rest of the viewers. Now, pretty simple on this one. Pretty simple. I think by the looks of things, this is looking pretty bullish. All right, we just had that massive hype here with some pretty decent volume. Here. This is calculated by TradingView. You can check out here another one. FTX pretty high volume. We can check this one. It doesn't matter really. Anyway, this one, massive pump, massive consolidation. Now, on the 4 hourly, we are creating, very nice higher lows right there, holding very, very nicely. I would get extremely bullish, and you can anticipate this, okay? I know this one can be traded on Bybit if I'm not wrong. You can anticipate this potential move that can come for this crypto. Now, there is a major resistance right there, just because I can see that we've touched it several times, which is the $44.50 range right there. Okay, we've got resistance there, resistance. We didn't manage to touch it here. So and we are creating higher lows, right? So we are kind of in an ascending kind of triangle. It would have been nice to hit this resistance right there. We didn't manage to reach it. But as soon as we break above $4.50, and I think we are on our way on seeing that, because massive parabolic move. What do you do after a parabolic move? You usually come back down to 50%, okay, from the lowest part here of the pump to the top. Yeah, we even hit, went below the 62% levels, but usually in between 50 and 60 is pretty good for buying. Okay, 38 is a little bit too soon in my opinion. I'm more conservative and I try and buy in at 50, 62% levels. Now, as you can see, if you would have bought at 62% levels, maybe your stop loss in between or even slightly behind the 78, is a very good position where to put your stop loss. Now, over here, we are starting to create higher lows. This is also looking pretty nice for the next coming weeks to start pumping pretty hard and reaching all-time highs. The consolidation is basically almost finished here for over 2 months. Over 2 months here going sideways and now starting to create higher lows. So looking pretty good here, C98 in my opinion. Now, if we do break this support, okay, I would become very bullish as soon as we break this level. Then obviously after this, all-time highs is absolutely imminent in my opinion. Now, we could break this support, okay, and come back and retest the $2.80, but I think it's going to be very unlikely. We've got support very nicely here on these higher lows. Now, let me just go here quickly through the comment section. I got another super chat, so I need to go through the super chats. That you know that they always got priority. Thank you for the £2 GZ1. Can you check out Meta Hero? Right, let's take a look at Meta Hero straight away. Meta Hero. Yeah, Meta Hero. Tether is the ticker symbol Meta Hero, I guess, right? Hero, right? Hero is the ticker symbol. Okay, we've only got KuCoin here. There's not too much, but I know there is going to be a lot of hype on this. Okay, is it a metaverse built on the Binance Smart Chain? I think there's going to be a little bit of hype action here on this one. I'm going to show you a cryptocurrency that I bought today. All right, I need to show you guys. Hang on a second. CoinGecko is going a little bit slow at this moment. Yeah, I think this one's going to do pretty good. There's something got to do here with the metaverse with this crypto. I'm not going to go through the project. We haven't got too much. Okay, too much data here on TradingView, so we can take a look at the chart properly. But overall, it's looking pretty bullish. Yeah, we just basically broke above this major resistance right there. Okay, we did have some pretty high volume on this resistance. This was the 12.5 cents. Okay, we had a nice round formation, finally breaking out this resistance with volume. Now, if we are lucky to have a retracement here and go back down to 12.5 cents, currently trading at 13.7 cents. I think it's going to be a great buy zone, only because we got this volume here from this consolidation, this pump over here that is going to act as heavy support. Remember, hard resistance will be support. There are going to be quite a lot of buying orders around this range. This is why we will be getting a bounce very likely. Pretty cool project, this one. Now, this morning I bought a bunch of this cryptocurrency over here, Gourmet Galaxy. Now, not financial advice, but I've almost done a 2x on this already. Gourmet Galaxy, okay, up 137% today. I managed to get it at about 27 cents. So really up on this one. Now, I'm not going to go through the project. It looks pretty cool. The reason I got into this one is because I seeing some, YouTubers, and I thought talking about it. It's all about the NFT space. I'm not going to go through the project right now, but the market capitalization when I got in, it was something like $750,000 of market cap. This one went all the way to about $3.30 when we had that hype back in, yeah, look, as you can see here, $3.33 back in May, 12th of May, okay? Had a massive crash going sideways, and this is the moment where you want to step in on this pure speculation, and I think this one's got something to do with NFT and metaverse. Gourmet Galaxy, up 137. I think this one still can make a 10x at least to reach the all-time high. Not financial advice, guys. I'm in this pure speculation. I didn't do too much research on this one. I've just got I got some stable coins that I just want to speculate on, because we are seeing basically this, guys. This massive cup and handle on the total crypto market cap. We're going to start seeing a little bit of parabolic action in my opinion, in the next coming weeks. So if you do have some stable coins, if you do have some spare BTC, I know no one ever has spare Bitcoin, but what I do usually is I take some of my Bitcoin of my portfolio and I speculate with that. Now I did have some USDC on the sidelines to getting heavily, right, just before we have these massive rides. Now this is what we are going to see. Check out this chart. This is the Galaxy GUM. We've had a massive, double top right there, but you have a massive crash, and when you go sideways for such a long time here, so July, August, September, October, this is the moment where you want to step in, because this one suddenly could go parabolic. Now this might turn over and might tomorrow be at minus 60%. Now do your own research, but as you can see, if you take a look at the yearly chart, look how early this is, because if you take a look at the 14-day chart, this is the kind of movement that's happened today. I managed to get in this retracement before breaking the highs. So I think there might be a little bit of a hype on this one, especially being a $1.3 million market capitalization. So just to go to 10 million, which is absolutely nothing, can make a 10x on this. So this is pure speculation, guys. But this is what you need to do right now. You need to speculate on some of these altcoins. Right, let's take a look. JZ1 at this £2. Also, I want to talk about Saitama Inu, because yes, Mark, I did FOMO into this this meme coin, and it's not doing too bad. Okay, I did buy it at 7.6. Okay, and it's currently, I was down quite a bit. I was down about almost $1,000 on this one, because I did put 5k. But I'm currently up about $600 or $700 right now on this one. So this one's not doing too bad. Saitama Inu. I FOMO'd into a meme coin just for pure speculation, guys, like I say. Let's take a look at, well, MetaHero. That's what we got for MetaHero, okay? Not too much on chart, but just with this data that we've got from November, we had a very nice, this one's very likely going to start pumping pretty hard to the upside. We know MetaHero's also got to do with the metaverse. I haven't done any research on this one, but I have seen quite a few people, shilling it, talking about it. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. I don't like Binance too much, but I think it will be doing well because of the speculation with the metaverse hype that there is right now. As I mentioned, nice volume here at the 12.5 cents here from this peak. Now we've broken out with volume. I'm not sure if we are going to retrace to these levels, but if we do, that is a buying moment. Now I think this does look like that we're just going to go sideways and start pumping hard. No targets, because basically all-time highs, price discovery, all depending on the hype to the upside. Now let me just take here a look at MetaHero. What is the market cap? It's about 400 billion. I don't know, 400 billion maybe, or a million, sorry. Let me just scroll down here in the comment section. Let's try and take a look at a lot of the altcoins here. Right. Can you please spare a minute and do super farm? Yes, almost 175 likes. Yes, guys, come on, let's smash up the like button together. Hey Andy, have you seen Squid Coin crashed 99.99%? Yes, I did see this. And yeah, guys, this is the thing. You got to be absolutely, be careful with all of this speculation, because I know the Squid Game is, something that's, it's a Netflix series right now. A lot of hype in crypto. So there are a lot of smart scammers out there that are going to start getting cryptos that look trending. And yeah, it seems like, I don't know, it was an exit scam, or I have no idea. They said they had a bug, or someone was trying to hack them or something like that. I read in an article yesterday, and I think that was just organized exit scam, guys. That's what they're going to say, right? Scammers are not going to say we scammed you. There are some that do say it, but they're going to just say someone tried to hack us, and it's the same story back going on and on. So yeah, guys, if you invested on the Squid Game token, sorry, I hope you didn't risk too much. But I remember seeing it at about $11 when the hype was there already. I think it went from a few cents to $11 already, and it did go up something like $2,000 or $3,000. Absolutely insane. I don't know what happened. They maybe did have a bug, because that kind of pumpy action was not natural. Okay, right. Guys, let me just go through the comment section. Right, quick go through the comment. Okay, right, let me just take a look at this on the... Right, guys, I was just doing something here quickly. Okay, right, what are the altcoins? Let's take a look at algorithm, right? Let's take a look at Algo, because Algo was looking extremely bullish also. We talked about that $1.70 range being a very, very strong support, I remember. So let's zoom out. It's just looking a little bit boring, but expect fireworks for this one. Expect some fireworks. Now it seems like that we are having a very nice, healthy uptrend here. Looking pretty nice. I think we should be holding very nicely this uptrend. This is on the 4 hourly, as you can see from these higher lows. A little bit of volatility. I think extreme low here for Algorand, maybe $1.75. It is a possibility, because as you can see, we are retesting it every single time, even wicking below this range. So maybe $1.75, $1.70 is possible here. A little bit of more volatility. That volatility to the downside is going to be a great buying opportunity. Remember, on Algorand, if I zoom out, this range, and this range is the $1.70 plus minus 5-10 cents because of the volatility, like always. Major resistance. We are currently getting very nicely bounced here as support. Every time, you know, this is a massive swing trade. You might be here for over a month right now holding a position if you buy at this support. But if you're using Bybit, the fees are very cheap here to hold for a few weeks. Now, as you can see, bounce. This is very likely gonna hold. This is just a massive accumulation before we start popping here to the upside. So overall, Algorand is looking pretty good. This is just a long consolidation, especially after this massive pump with volume. Okay, so overall, ultimate low for Algorand in my opinion, $1.70, $1.75. Ultimate low. Okay, might see a little bit of volatility still to the downside before we continue to the upside here with this healthy uptrend. Let's take a look at Vchain here, guys. I've scrolled down. I'm going to start looking at the comment section from the low part. Okay, if I scroll up, it's going to be absolutely insane. There's a huge bunch of altcoins. So if you start commenting right now in the comment section and smash up the like button, we'll be taking a look at these cryptos. Vchain next. Let's take a look at Vchain, and I'll also take a look at Compound after Vchain. I got someone in the Telegram. Vchain looking great, guys. Like I mentioned, 15 cents is inevitable at this point. Like I mentioned, we have the descending wedge, and we already got a target. Okay, it is a major resistance that will be hit and broken in maybe, I don't know, days, maybe a week or two. We are on the way. As I mentioned here before, we had this massive pump, massive correction into this descending wedge, broke out very nicely, because I mean, this was pretty clear. We got this low here and this descending wedge getting tighter and tighter, and it was pretty clear that this was going to be a higher low. Now we do have higher low here resistance. Worst case scenario would be coming down to the 10 cents, but it doesn't look like. We are consolidating very nicely, and we are going to see a little bit of pumpy action here to test that 15.5 cents, which is the top here of the wedge. Now, as soon as we break this level, I think it is going to be blue skies for Vchain to retest all-time highs in the next coming weeks. Okay, maybe a month, I do not know time, but I know that this is a very important level, which is the 15.5 cents. And the only traded movements that we've had is this massive pump, this massive dump, massive pump over here, a little bit choppy action into the downside. Now this is such an important level, the 15.5 cent. If we do get above this range, it's you know, all-time high is absolutely imminent in my opinion. So this is a quick overview here on Vchain. Andy, you're amazing, most talented TA. Thank you very much. I just try to keep it really basic. Mary, thank you very much for that comment. Thank you. Let's take a look at Cody. Andy, please check FET. Okay. I'll take a look at Compound first. I got someone in the Telegram group saying, can you check out Compound? And yeah, let's take a look at Compound. Right. Compound, massive consolidation at this range. This is going to start pumping very, very soon. We do have a technical target right over here on Compound, which is the $500 area, 510, 500 range. Okay, $500. We are currently at $367 trading right now, and basically we did form this descending wedge right over here. Okay, and I like to see a breakout from the resistance, not go sideways. When we go sideways, it's like, yeah, I usually get out of a trade. If I enter a trade here from the breakout and it just goes sideways, I usually exit, because basically you're not seeing any pressure or buying pressure or selling pressure, and anything can happen. But we did get supportedly very, very nicely. This is clear a consolidation. A bullish consolidation, in my opinion. We have strong support at this range, which was the $310, $320 range. We came straight back, we went down, straight back up in this range. So this is just a little bit of noise. It is a major level, and I do believe so that we are going to come all the way up here to 450, where we might have a first retest, because we have seen some consolidation around this area right over there. We've seen some right over here. Okay, quick volatility, no volume, quick fake out. This was just a little bit of volatility, basically. We did have volatility above this range, so it is a level, major level, the 450. I do see us pumping to that level, 450. Maybe a little bit of volatility here, and then continuing to the upside. Very, very likely here for Compound. Overall looking pretty bullish. Now this is on the 4 hourly. If we go to the daily, and I leave everything on the chart, guys. I leave everything just to check out the chart here in the next live. Okay, very nice healthy consolidation. This is ready to make some movements to the upside. Okay, looking at this chart, looking very nice to make some movement at the to the upside. Higher lows right there. This is just ready to make some action. Right. Sushi, I'm going to take a look at Sushi here. Please check out AXS Atom. Okay, Sushi, let's take a look at Sushi straight away. Sushi was a little bit it wasn't the best here, Sushi, because Sushi had, I think there was some kind of bullish news that came out, and this was exactly on the same date. No, the day before we had a Bitcoin dump. Okay, and this is why I'm not sure if I had a long position and I exited or I didn't enter, but we were creating a bullish descending megaphone pattern right there. We broke out. And I did not enter this because Bitcoin was in a very bearish kind of movement potentially coming. And yeah, this is basically what happened here. There's good news came out on Sushi. I'm not sure if it was on Twitter or I remember it was something, okay, came out from Sushi, and it was just a pump, broken a major resistance. But because of Bitcoin dumping on the 17th of September, Sushi came straight back down, as you can see there. So this is the thing we need to combine here a little bit with Bitcoin's. Bitcoin's bearish, but you have bullish news on an altcoin, but you know that Bitcoin will drag altcoins to the downside. You need to be a little bit careful with these kind of movements. Now, right over here, you could arguably discuss, okay, this is definitely a major level. This was the $10 range with volatility. Huge support right there. We wicked below this range, but held very, very nicely as support and resistance there. Okay, And as soon as we broke above it, we have been bouncing here every single time at this range. So very, very strong level, the $10. Now we're just pumping. It's just a matter of time, guys, maybe days, till we come all the way here to the $14 range, which is this major resistance. We do not count this noise because this was just a pump and dump action, right? As soon as we break $14, it is very, very likely to come all the way here to retest this range, this $18 area where we do have some volatility. And note that Sushi is incredibly volatile. Look how choppy this is. It's not one of my favorite charts to analyze because there's so much choppiness on Sushi. Pump, dump, pump. Okay, this is extremely dangerous to trade with. It's not one of my favorites, but overall, okay, like I said, on a lot of them, look, with these higher lows, we're getting a very, very strong base. Now, if you connect these lower lows and these lower highs right there, and you connect this low and this low right over there, you do know that we are getting, you know, heavily supported right there on this uptrend. So overall, looking pretty bullish. Hang on a second, guys. I'll be back in 1 minute. All right, so this is what we got for Sushi. This is what we got for Sushi. Right, what other altcoin can I take a look at? Because I need to make the move, guys. What about shorting Dot, says Mohammed. I don't think so. We'll take a look at that straight away. Bernard, smash that thumbs up for Andy. Thank you very much, Bernard. Insane support from you guys. Let's take a look at Polkadot because I got someone here talking about shorting because we are all-time highs. Why would you short Polkadot? We just about broke all-time highs, right? We just broke all-time highs on Polkadot. Why would you short this? This is looking insane. We are going to see Polkadot pumping like crazy in the next coming weeks. You want to start longing this, in my opinion. Okay, the volume is not insane. Let me just take a look at some other, other exchanges. It's pretty high volume. It's not insane, but we just broke all-time highs here on Polkadot. Okay, we're just gonna have a little bit of consolidation. Yes, we might see some volatility coming below the $50. Yes, that could happen. That usually happens when you break all-time high. Okay, maybe a lot of people bullish starting to long for price discovery, but you do have a lot of volatility when you break all-time highs usually. So if you want to risk a short, you could. But overall, this is insanely bullish. This kind of price action, resistance, round formation, resistance, and breakout, you do not want to short this. You do not want to short it, in my opinion. You might see Polkadot trading at $60 by tomorrow. Avax, Andy, please vet. Okay, Avax. Let's take a look at Avax. Extremely bullish on Avax. Very, very bullish on Avax. I'm actually in a long trade. I see this massive. Okay, we did tweet about this massive symmetrical triangle, and a lot of people might think, this doesn't look bullish. This looks like, we are forming a lower high right over there, but we are having a nicely higher lows, and we do have a very, very strong support level at $55. And overall, the bullish sentiment, guys, I mean, you only need this chart over here to find out, to know that we are going to see billions and hundreds of billions coming into the market in the next coming weeks, guys. Maybe 1 month, 2 months, all the way till the end of the year. There's hundreds of billions coming into the crypto market. We can see it on the chart. We can see the sentiment, social media. People are coming into the space, fresh money coming in. This is what this chart is indicating us, that, you know, what can you hear every single day on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, or the media is talking about crypto consistently, metaverse right now. This, you know, and you can just read this by the chart. This is what's going to happen in the next coming weeks. You're just going to see hundreds of billions of dollars coming into Bitcoin and crypto basically, and we need to take advantage of this wave. Okay, now looking at Avax, I see this potentially playing out, and this has only got a few more days inside of this apex. All right, connecting this nice healthy uptrend right over there. Also these lower highs. Be careful with volatility, okay? You might get a little bit of volatility to the downside, but overall this is looking pretty bullish, okay? In my opinion, you have this last all-time high holding very nicely as support, which is around about that $60-55 range right there. You broke out of it. A lot of volatility bouncing at this range. This is an insane good trading zone, okay? And I think we looked at it on the VPVR, but yeah, and on the VPVR, I think we don't have any. Right. I don't know why I can't get the VPVR. Am I not logged in here? Never mind, we're not going to take a look at the VPVR, but it is a major level, the $55 range, okay? We've been getting supported very nicely here, as you can see. Be careful, guys. This is the moment where we are going to come very bullish in the coming weeks, but we also can see some dips. We can also see a little bit of bloody action, because a lot of people are going to over leverage. The market is not going to hold that leverage and just do a few spikes to the downside, boom, and then continue to the upside. Handy, great job, Mind, checking XRP chart. Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP being so boring. I feel so sorry for the XRP army. I really do. XRP army, you know, calling for XRP 500 and something dollars. You know, even, you know, I don't know, even $10. It's been so boring. I hope that XRP does have its day, you know, does have its weeks ahead, and does go to $10 or something like that, or $20. I really hope so, guys, because it's been such a bad performer, so boring. I hardly trade this. I think I traded it twice, 1 or 2 times. I can't even remember. But I hate doing the analysis because it's so choppy, so volatile also. But overall, I think XRP is ready to retest this $1.35 that we've been talking now for the past couple of weeks. You know, since the descending wedge breakout there that happened on the 30th of September. Right, guys, we got a target here, and this was basically it since we had that breakout, okay? And it's just going sideways. A lot of volatility. We came all the way down to the point almost of the breakout here. We were talking about also the $1.05 is a very strong support level. The reason why is because it's been heavy resistance here in the past. Also, it's been heavy support here back in August. Support. We came down this range with volatility, but managed to consolidate at that range. Same scenario here. We came down, came up, consolidated, got back up, but look at the volatility. It's insane, but we're managing to hold nicely. It's very likely to see a little bit of volatile movements in between that $1.05 range, plus minus a few cents, and then it's just ready to pop to the upside, guys. But like I mentioned, you do have this kind of action. You know, this is crazy. Look at this, you know, going from, and this is just in less than a day, going from $1.15 down to 95 cents. You know, huge wick here in one day of 18%, and this is what you get. Overall, it's looking bullish. We got a target here. We'll be reaching $1.30, 35, but expect those those kind of movements before you trend to the upside. Anyway, overall, it's looking bullish, guys. Just be careful with the volatility here on XRP. Andy Amigo, please check AXS. Let's take a look at AXS straight away. Can you share a swing trade, please, Mohammed? Yeah, of course. Let's take a look at AXS first. And AXS, what's going on with AXS? I think AXS is almost in a buying zone. Okay, we did have this symmetrical triangle right over there. Or even though I would say it is in a we are seeing a little bit of bearish. Yeah, we have a massive wick here on the 4 hourly that I do not like, with very, very high volume. It's not looking good at all. Right, so also I got here, there's a piece of news that Mark Dutch has given to me, okay, privately, that Grayscale buys large amounts of Link, Filecoin, and Basic Attention, now holding $55.1 billion in crypto, okay? Grayscale adds some more altcoins to its crypto trust and now holds $55 billion worth of digital assets. This is some news that I got from Mark Dutch. Thank you very much, my man, for providing me that information. Now, on AXS, we still have a projected move of this symmetrical triangle. It hasn't been reached, okay? We saw this breakout. We came back down, got supported of the support, came back up, almost meeting the target, which was the $1.70 range. We just hit $1.64 here for AXS. But this is what you get in crypto, okay? You either have a tight stop loss, take that small loss, 10-20% loss, get back in at lower levels. You either kind of swing trade it, okay, use 3, 4, 5x leverage. You have your stop loss pretty far away, get the gains almost hitting the target. I mean, this is the thing, guys. It is you need to be pretty aggressive in getting on getting profits. Also, I am very aggressive on taking profits. I like to swing trade, but sometimes I miss out on huge profits. And AXS, I think, will just consolidate here. We might have a little bit of dip action, but I think if we do dip even below the $130, major buy, guys. Axie Infinity, absolutely beast. And if you take a look at the charts on Axie Infinity, new users, the chart is like that, okay? The chart is like that. There's new users on Axie Infinity every single week, and it's not just a few dozen. It is hundreds and hundreds of new users. So this game, it's in a massive uptrend, guys, and it will continue to the upside with the hype that we still have for the coming months. Overall, I think correction here on Axie Infinity, we can easily achieve the 170 in the next coming weeks. If we do dip below, major buy zone. We do know that the $120 is a major support range, okay, as you can see from the price action here on Axie. Now, I'm not long on Axie Infinity at this moment. I have a few long positions open on Bybit that I'm planning to scale in if they're in negative. The only one in negative right now is DYDX, okay? I've got a trade here on DYDX open, and I will explain why I've got this trade open right now on the trading view chart, okay? Remember, guys, if you're interested in trading, Bybit has got the best bonus down below, which is up to $3,500 worth of bonus, okay? They've added a huge bunch of new cryptos again. They did add Mana, they did add Engine, okay? They've added quite a few cryptos this last week. So check it out, guys. You've got an insane bonus down below here to trade on Bybit. And also PrimeXBT is my favorite day trading platform, okay? Here you get 50% added to your deposit. I have got a trade open now on gold that I see, just a very small position, just a little bit of scalping on gold. This is the good thing on PrimeXBT. You get 50% added to your deposit to trade with. You cannot withdraw this bonus. I've got a full tutorial down below on PrimeXBT. But the good thing about this is that you're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT or USDC as collateral, and you can trade over 50 different assets, not only cryptocurrency. I'm getting a small bonus, you getting 50% added to your deposit. You deposit 1 Bitcoin, you're getting half a Bitcoin on top of that to trade with. Okay, guys, this is to give you buying power. It is not, you cannot withdraw it eventually. Use a little bit of common sense there. Now, the full tutorial of PrimeXBT is down below in the description. Right, MATIC please for Rich Wilson straight away. Let's take a look at MATIC. Straight away, let's take a look at MATIC. Let's go. MATIC. Andy, you are skipping my messages. You forgot that I am one of your first followers. I asked you not to forget me when you just started the channel. It is just a joke. Your opinion on ADA. Yeah, Mary, very true. I think she was following my channel when we were only about 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, absolutely. Let's take a look at ADA, and then after ADA, I'll be taking a look at which one? MATIC. Okay, let me just take a look at ADA here quickly, and I've given you my opinion a lot on ADA. If we are lucky, we might get a dip in between the $1.70 and $1.80, okay? If we are lucky. If we are not lucky, we're going to start pumping from where we are right now. Now, the reason why is because I see very, very similar price action, okay, that happened right over here on ADA. Very, very similar. Because well, first of all, you know, the $1.80 is a huge resistance. We have a little bit of consolidation right there. That is turning heavily into support. If we have another dip, a little bit of volatility, a little bit of scary action, that's going to be a great buying zone, okay? $1.70, $1.80. I'm not sure if we are going to hit it though. So overall, you know, like the strategy that I'm talking about for swing trading, you know, if you've got $1,000 to trade with, not financial advice, but you can enter over here. If you dip and you are negative, you add $200. If you go a little bit slightly more negative, you add another $200. So your entry scales down, and until you have that, you know, that major pump action. This is a very, very good strategy for swing trading. You know, sometimes I'm so conservative that I miss out on a lot of opportunities, but then there is a strategy, okay? If the overall you know, chart looks bullish, you know, we got the ultimate low here on July on ADA, just hitting that $1, all the way up here to the $3. Fibonacci extension, we just about hit that 62% levels. This range is already a buying zone, in my opinion, from a massive pump. This is on the macro. This pump is from July all the way till September, sorry. This is a buying zone already. Add to your position. Add, in my opinion, okay? I'm not telling you what to do. This is what I see here. I might actually swing trade this myself. Then, you know, I can put my money where my mouth is, right? So basically, strong resistance turning into support. We got the 62% levels from this massive pump. We do expect another run up. You know, another alt season. I'm not sure how ADA is doing. I'm not sure if those smart contracts are coming out. Are they working? What is going on? You know, I'm not extremely bullish on ADA. I do not hold any ADA. I know there's a huge army, but reason number one here on ADA, you know, we got nice lower lows right there, kind of price action. We got slightly lows over here, slightly lower lows over here. Very similar downtrend from lower highs, downtrend from lower highs. You start going sideways. Everything's pointing out, guys, that we are just about to go up, okay? If you go down here, this kind of formation is not, you don't usually see that kind of formation on the charts, okay? You just have a massive pump, sideways action at halfway, 62% levels. It's time to become bullish, guys. Start to become bullish. We are at a lowest point. All-time high was here. We are here at a low point. Very unlikely we're going to dip to $1. Very unlikely. So this is what I got. Let's take a quick look at MATIC, guys. Straight away. we talked about MATIC being too bullish. It was looking too bullish, but overall here for MATIC, the $1, the $2 range was, should have held very nicely as support, but I think it was just a little bit of too much hype here in a very short period of time. We broke the resistance of $2, came back down, and I think we just needed to consolidate here a little bit for MATIC. Okay, now overall I think MATIC is looking super bullish. We're just going to consolidate, have small corrections, and start pumping again. Next major resistance is the $2.35, which is this peak over here. We've only got 2 peaks ahead of us. Very likely we'll be just hitting those peaks, consolidating volatility, and smashing all-time high in coming weeks. MATIC, very important layer 2 solution for Ethereum. I got 2 very bullish projects, okay, in my opinion, that are going to do very well in the coming months, maybe in the coming years also. One of them I've talked about before, and that is MetaVerse, okay. This one is, I'm very bullish on this one. I've done my research on the project. Now, they are extremely risky. These are low cap gems that could go well, they could go bad, all depending on the process of the team, or on the project. I do not know, but MetaVerse is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. I would say 80% or even 90% of the projects are built on the Ethereum network. I wouldn't say it's a little bit less, I guess, but there's a huge amount, most of the projects. And I think that, they're not going to switch anytime soon to, Avalanche, to Polkadot, to, all these different blockchains. So we need layer 2 solutions for the gas, for the transactions. Another one super bullish that I am is Cytos, guys. I got someone mentioning this in the comment section. I did my research. This project looks absolutely insane. This one has only got about $40 million in market capitalization. I've gone through the team, through the project. This one looks insanely bullish. Web3, guys. So, and if you want to know some gems, right? 40 million is a baby. This can 10x, 20x easily in the next coming months. All right, just in case we are seeing that alt season popping. It is coming, guys. You want to start getting some positions, but not financial advice, guys. These are the cryptos that I am looking at, okay, and that I have allocated some of my capital into them. So, guys, let me just take a look here 1 second, because opinions on DOT and price prediction. Polkadot will be going above the $100 in my opinion. Very likely. That is, I did take a look at Polkadot, and guys, I am really sorry, but I need to go, okay? Make sure to smash up the like button. I will be doing this week a 4-hourly live stream. I'm going to try and do it maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, or depending if we do smash all-time high, that would be great to do a live stream, okay, if that happens in the next coming days. Maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday, I do not know, guys. But I'll be leaving right now. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Remember, I'll be doing my video update tomorrow morning, and I'll also be going live. I'm doing live streams Wednesday, I'm doing live stream Thursday, okay, so I will also be doing live stream on the weekend, and I want to do a 4-hourly live stream. I'll notify you in the Telegram group, okay, guys. I will be doing long live streams, and we'll be doing an analysis on a lot of the cryptos. Overall, market looking pretty bullish, guys. We might see a little bit of a rejection right now. There is a major level on Bitcoin. We did not take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Why didn't we take a look at Bitcoin? Why didn't we take a look at Bitcoin? Very important, guys. Bitcoin. One level here to break for Bitcoin before we smash all-time highs, where we're currently getting rejection. We can see a little bit, we might be having a little bit dumpy action here on Bitcoin, or sideways action. The reason why, pretty easy. Let's just go to the 4-hourly, zoom out a little bit. This is Bitcoin. We've got the descending wedge, breakout nicely, massive resistance. We are getting, these wicks already. We might be seeing a little bit dumpy action for the rest of the day, unless we do smash that $64,000. Major support right there, major resistance right there. As soon as we break $64,000 and break it nicely, a little bit of volume, want to see some pretty nice action, closing a 4-hourly candle above that range. All-time high is going to be absolutely imminent, guys. Imminent if we break this level. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Join the Telegram group. If you're interested in trading, you got the best bonuses available on my favorite exchanges, Bybit and PrimeXBT. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one.